Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn how to write a friendly letter. Please pay attention because you are going to be writing your friendly letter, and it is going to be to one of your classmates that you will find out after this video. So let's see all the different parts that are part of a letter. There are 5 main parts to a friendly letter. The first one is the heading. There is the heading, December 3rd, 2018. The heading includes the date and is located in the top right corner of the paper. So you'll be writing the date. That is the heading. Next, part 2 is the greeting. Let's see. The greeting is written to the person you are addressing the letter to. Don't forget to write a comma at the end of your greeting. You could say, to Charles, but a lot of times I start letters by saying, Dear Charles. Sometimes people even just use the first name Charles, but always end with a comma at the end of the greeting. Part 3 of your friendly letter is the body. I'm going to share that with you. The body of the letter is the information you are writing in your letter. Don't forget to start this section with an indent because that is at the beginning of the paragraph. You always indent. So we have our heading, we have the greeting, and we have the body. I am so excited for you to visit us next month. We are planning on going to the water park near our house. They have 10 large water slides and a wave pool. Be sure to remember to pack your suitcase. That's the body. And your body needs to have at least 5 sentences on it. The next is part 4, the closing. The closing is how you wish to end your letter. Some examples of a closing are sincerely, your friend, cheers, love, or best regards. But you're always going to end with a comma at the end of your closing. Then the last part, part 5, is the signature. The signature is just your name. It goes right below the closing. So here you'll see all the parts. The heading, the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. I wrote my friendly letter to Miss Franklin. So I have the beginning part, Monday, March 15th, 2021. Then here is my greeting, Dear Mrs. Franklin. Here's the body. How are you? I am very well and looking forward to my upcoming trip with 2 of my children. We are going to Costa Rica to celebrate my daughter's last year of high school. We plan to eat lots of fruits from the market, learn how to surf, and read a lot of books on the beach. Do you have any plans this summer, spring or summer? Then I started another paragraph. This summer, I plan to teach summer school, tutor a few students, and work at Target Field. I need to earn extra money as all 3 of my children will be in college next year. Do you have anything lined up for the summer months? Then, my last paragraph, enjoy the rest of your school year, and I look forward to hearing from you. Then I have my closing and then my signature. My closing is your friend, and then my signature is Miss Dixon. Now, today you are going to get the following. You're going to make a copy of the letter template that your teacher emailed you. And your template is going to look like this. In your drive, you will be able to type all of the information because it'll say type here, and then you'll go right into that spot and type the date, the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. Write a letter to your assigned classmate. I'll be giving that to you right after this video, boys and girls. Your letter also must have at least 5 sentences in the body. But as you could see, when I wrote my letter to Miss Franklin, I included 3 paragraphs. You can have 1, that's the minimum, but it has to have at least 5 sentences in it. Use spell check and reread your letter to make sure it makes sense. You don't want the person that you're giving it to not understand, because if they understand your letter, hopefully they'll be able to write back to you. Share it with your teacher. So when you are totally done with your letter, you're going to share it with your teacher, remember, by hitting the share button and sharing it with your specific teacher, and then she will email it to the friend that you wrote the letter to. Have so much fun writing these letters. Really put lots of effort into it, because if you put lots of effort into the letter you're writing to your classmate, when they write back, I bet they will too. And have a great rest of your day and enjoy writing those letters.